Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamia, or you'll see below, Tamia Lee. If you're new to my channel, what's up? Thanks for coming. If you are old to my channel, welcome back. So today I'm just going to show you guys how I make my little concoction to deep condition my hair, because under this thing is a hot mess. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. I'm going to be using aloe vera. This is the aloe vera. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you'll see when I pour it in the bowl. But it's like, I just got the aloe vera plant, sliced it open, got all the little clear jelly out of it. See it? And I'm going to put it in the bowl and mix it. I don't have a blender, girl, because when I moved, you know how you move and stuff get lost. So I don't know if it got lost or if it was thrown away. I don't know. But I'm going to show you guys how I make this little concoction for my hair, because it needs it, because my hair is a hot mess. And I just look like somebody's child. Like, you know when you go to the grocery store, you see people's kids and their hair just don't be combed. Like, my hair looks like not combed, like untamed. Needs to be detangled. It's just horrible. So anyways, let's get started. So I have my aloe vera gel. I have my bowl. I'm just going to pour the aloe vera gel in there first. See how slimy it is? So inside of the aloe vera, I'm going to pump some of this castor oil. It is castor oil, Melissa Rachel castor oil conditioner, and yeah, it's Pro Grow conditioner, 100% natural oils and wood roots. So I'm just gonna pump some of this in here. This is a big bottle. So I'm gonna myself out 5 pumps. 5 pumps, and then I have this castor oil. I'm just going to dab a little bit in it like so. Like that. Yeah, I'm not going to put too much castor oil. But I'm making this concoction to deep condition my hair. Because, girl, I'm going to show y'all. Y'all going to see it and be like, girl, should have been did something. So now I have everything in the bowl. Can y'all see I have everything in the bowl. I'm just going to take this and start to mix it up. I don't like the way this smells good though. I just hate the way the aloe vera feels. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. And this way, like, I guess I gotta stir it a lot, but I want to get some of the chunks out, so I'm kind of mashing it here and there, trying to get as many chunks out as possible. We're gonna start on this here, y'all. Look, like, it's not even going out. Look at this look. Look at it. Look at it. I'm just gonna start back here in the kitchen area. Now, my main problem, well, the part that's bothering me is like my roots. Like, and you would think it's my ends because I colored my ends, but it's more so my roots. Like, they be all like not hard, but like really coarse and thick. And I'm like, I don't know. I just gotta get back on track. So I have the aloe vera. I'm just gonna take some, and you can even just get some of the little slime juice like that. Ooh, that was nasty. Well, I'm gonna apply it to my sections of here. And y'all can see this. I'm focusing it on the roots the most, and then I'm just gonna bring it down to the ends of it. Probably should have wet my hair a little bit. Yeah. Go ahead and wet your hair a little bit if you try it this way before you put it on, just so the aloe vera can spread easier through your hair. And then I'm I'm just gonna, cause baby girl, these roots, I just had sprayed it first, and I still didn't do it, but spraying it though. Look at that shrinkage already. Look at that shrinkage. Oh. But anyways, we can talk while this is going on. And like, see right here, I kind of, it's so loud, but I kind of mixed some of the little pieces of aloe vera in there. It's like, look, like, it's even hard to part. Like, what the world? How did this happen? So, I'm going to do the aloe vera challenge. I keep forgetting to spray it first, you know. And what the aloe vera challenge is basically every month, every week for a month, you deep condition your hair with aloe vera. And then at the end of the month, you see growth, like you look to see if your hair has grown any, or if, like, basically what's changed in your hair, really. That's all you look for. That's all you be looking for. And you can use this for all textures. Like, you don't have to have super kinky hair to do this. It's just a really good deep conditioner. So this right here, pull it down and comb it out. This is what I'm going to measure in a month. I'm just going to pull the side and measure that within a month. So, pulling it with tension. So this is where my hair is now. This is how it looks now. And we're going to come back in a month. Well, not a month. We're just going to measure it in a month to see how it's growing, or if it's growing, or if it's getting thicker, or if it's looking healthier. We're going to see. Let's see how all that is working. And some of these chunks, like, don't be afraid to get it and actually rub it on your hair. Because I do that too. Like, the stuff we learn on YouTube, because, like, even this, I've been doing it, like, I've probably done it, this is probably my fourth time ever doing it to my hair, but I learned it off YouTube, like everything else. As long as you watch YouTube, you'll be able to figure it out. And y'all, if your aloe vera starts to get to where it's just chunks in there, just stir it, and then you'll get some more, like, watery consistency, so that it'll spread on your hair easier, see? And that's what you want. So, like, I'm not hearing, normally, y'all, I'll be hearing all kind of pop. I'm not hearing any of that. So this is how the aloe vera ended up. Y'all know y'all see it, but that's how much I got left. I'm just gonna trash it. I wish I had a blender. But I don't. Oh, guess what I think I can do? I think I'm gonna put some of these aloe vera chunks in this water bottle, put some water in it, and then I'm gonna have me a leave-in conditioner. I think that's what I'm gonna do. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. So yeah, if y'all need me to read what I'm gonna do with the remaining of these chunks, I'm gonna put half of them in this water bottle, put some water in it, and then when I do my twist out after this, I'm going to put it on my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna let this sit, and then I'll be back. Alright, so we're gonna see how my hair looks looks good. I just washed it out. Ooh. It definitely feels good. I'm able to pull it out a lot, okay.